In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an N8n subscription. Whether you've decided that N8n isn't for you or you just want to take a break, canceling your subscription is a straightforward process. Let's walk through it together. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the official N8n website. Make sure you're connected to the internet and have a secure connection, as you'll be handling account-related tasks. Once you're on the website, your next step is to find the Sign In option. Typically, this will be located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Make sure you have your credentials ready, as you'll need them to access your account. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll want to navigate over to the N8n admin panel. This is your central hub for managing all things related to your subscription and account settings. Within the admin panel, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This is where you'll have visibility over your dashboard, which includes various administrative options and details about your N8n usage. Now here's where you'll find the Cancel Subscription option. It might be labeled slightly differently, depending on the version or updates, but look for anything related to subscription management. Click on the Cancel Subscription button or link. This action will initiate the cancellation process for your N8n subscription. It's always a good idea to read any on-screen messages carefully, as they might provide additional instructions or information about what to expect after cancellation. Some services offer insights or options to pause rather than cancel entirely, so just be sure you understand any choices you're making. If you happen to be on a free trial, there's no need to worry about canceling it manually. N8n has an automatic process in place for trials. This means that your free trial will expire on its own without any additional action needed from your end. Upon expiration, all associated data within your trial account will be automatically deleted, ensuring that you won't be charged or billed inadvertently. This makes managing a free trial a worry-free experience. And that's it! You're all set. By following these steps, you've successfully either canceled your subscription or confirmed the automatic expiration of your trial with N8n. If you encounter any trouble or uncertainties during this process, don't hesitate to reach out to N8n's customer service for further assistance. They're there to help ensure your experience is smooth and trouble-free. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide made your subscription management straightforward and easy to handle.